I've been working on my self-esteem and on my inner self for a long time. I have designed the program that I can help you with, and it's completely free. It's called Success Program. It includes the daily motivational video of the success principle of the day that I send you out to your email inbox, so you can see me, watch me every day, where I share you the motivational message each and every day, because I want to educate you, I want to keep you motivated, I want you to progress, I want to educate you, I want to inspire you. So I created the success program for you if you would like to achieve your ideal lifestyle, if you would like to achieve your goals, and if you would like to have my message, my inspiration every day in your pocket. Activate the program and opt in right now so you can get your daily video in your email inbox. Beside of daily video inspirations, I'm also providing you with a curriculum course, Design Your Lifestyle course, that's going to allow you to design your ideal lifestyle. I'm going to give you two things. The first one is A4 format worksheet that is going to hold your vision together. This worksheet is also supported with 8 sub-worksheets, and each of these worksheets has got a specific task that you need to complete so you can design your vision the right way. I have designed this 8-step curriculum course for you because I want to help you. I want you become personally stable. I want you to increase your self-esteem. I want you to stay enthusiastic. I want you to have organized your daily routine and your vision so you know which way you are going every day and every moment, every time. So join in now, your videos will be delivered to your inbox, and after opting in, you will need to activate the success program on our Premium Life platform, so you'll be able to access the private area of the Premium Life forum. You will be able to see other inspirational videos from all the other members, and of course you will have an opportunity to upgrade later to any other programs. Okay, so you should begin now, opting in for the daily videos, and then activate your free success program membership, and you will be able to design your ideal lifestyle.